I think he had a gold jag. But did you
I
see
don't
how I got
remember.
instantly knocked down?
Huh?
Was instantly knocked down because they both
No.
one of them threw a high explosive grenade and the other one threw a skunk bomb.
I don't really pay attention to myself.
And they both just were landed at my feet. I was just like, well, fuck.
YOLO.
And I was fully healed and level 3 armor.
YOLO. I want to do SAR after. Or SAW after.
Yeah, SAR.
Random.
Or you could say it's sorry.
I don't know. My mind, I'm like, I can't remember right now.
You can't what?
Slur.
Because it's SAW Security Forces versus Rebellion. So it's SAW
Yeah,
R-E.
Sorry.
If you want to just go SVR, but...
Svur. I like Svur.
Oh my gosh, come here. Where are you? Oh, you're over
looking
there.
at my leg. Where are you?
What would you like to order? But check this out. Look, here's a
I'm
wall.
vegetarian, sorry.
Here's a wall, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna hit it and you'll hear it. But you see the tree move?
Yeah.
Not that tree, only this tree. What?
Weird. That one does. That one does. That one does.
Weird.
Strange.
Those look like bots.
Huh?
Those look like bots.
Yep.
Health Juice Factory.
Oh.
Sound good to you?
Yeah. Well, everybody wants to be a little fucking sucker. Please fuck off. Want some privacy? Yeah.
Oh, they left.
Nope. I'm gonna do some, what are they called? I can't think of the word right now. Bananas at the door. Oh, little banana tortillas.
Give you a banana.
All the kitties. I am full of kitties now. Full of kitties. My blind ass again. Running into walls. Never fucking see when there's a fucking wall for some reason. I was looking over my records from Kaiser Permanente because I had like my eye exam because I was like, I want to see what my actual like vision thing is without corrected. And like the like +1 blah 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 shit. Like, I mean, I don't got a strong prescription because it's +1 and then 1.5. It was like, sorry, lost my train of thought. I'm so dead. It was like, yeah, my vision's like 2200, 20 over 200. I was like, damn, not 2020. I was told it was 2070. I guess 2200 even worse. I mean, it's not horrible, but like, you know, freaking my bestie Kelsey, she fucking wears fucking,
Coke
what was it?
bottles.
+6. Yeah. I saw somebody make a +20 one. I was like, damn.
Oh, there was like 4 of them over there, so they were fighting amongst each other.
Ooh,
Let's
somebody's
just
still
let that
coming.
happen.
Yep, somebody's coming. Mm. You love me, let me go. Let me go. You could have let
Oh, those were
me
2 different guys.
go.
Jeez. Well, those weren't 2
Yeah,
different guys.
there's just so many people around. You should have just ran.
The turkey looks funny with that cowboy hat.
You look so funny with the cowboy hat. Don't judge